I have a special guest, you guys. Someone is so anxious to be in my video. Here she is. The little airhead. She's so curious.
You know.
All right, your thumbnail's in. Now get out
No,
so I
it's
can
not.
take my thumbnail picture. Fine.
How cameras work.
This is how cameras work. You see? This
Yeah,
is what
they
do.
engulf a thumbnail.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been officially, not really officially, but almost a year since you guys have seen me. I have not been in front of the camera since 2017. The video that I last posted, I recorded that last year around this time, right before Labor Day. That's actually fucking crazy. Wow, it's been a year. Anywho, I just want to come back on camera and have a little chat with you guys. I'm not gonna do any makeup because I don't really want my channel to be just makeup based. I want it to be about my life. I want it to be a life journey kind of, and just something for me to have to look back at some point in time in life. So with that being said, welcome back. My name is Shemiah. I used to go by Myla B on here, but my mama ain't named me that. My name is Shemiah. And I'm just gonna stick with that because a lot of people know me as Shemiah through the makeup world. And I don't really wanna, you know, kind of give off the wrong impression that I'm trying to be somebody that I'm not. I'm just gonna be plain old Shemiah. Like, I want this revamp of my YouTube channel to be the truest and purest form of me that you guys have ever seen, like ever. So this is important to me to make this video. I just wanted to give you guys an update of what's been going on and why I have been missing for like a year. So let's go. Oh, before we start, hit that subscribe button. I'm judging you in my Jackie Ina voice. I'm judging you. If y'all ain't following me and you watching this video, why you here, Petunia? Y'all better hit that button. So, over the past year, when I stopped filming, I had moved from Ohio to Atlanta. I was staying with my mom in Ohio. I was working at Enterprise, and I left Enterprise, well, not Enterprise, I left Ohio to move to Atlanta to kind of, you know, start my life in Atlanta because I wanted to live in Atlanta. And I have officially been in Atlanta for a year, and my mom has moved down to Atlanta. So I haven't recorded because when I moved to Atlanta, I was staying with other people and I didn't really have the personal space that I did when I had at my mom's house to record, and I didn't really feel comfortable doing it because it was always someone around. So I was just like, no. And I also quit YouTube because I feel like when I first started, I did it for the wrong reasons. I was trying to really do it because not really everyone was doing it. I loved the idea of doing makeup videos and stuff like that, but it also was kind of a wave. But I don't feel like I got the hint or the idea to just start a YouTube channel for no reason. Like, I just feel like it wasn't for no reason. And I stepped away from it and I moved to Atlanta to pursue my career as a makeup artist. And I started working on Love and Hip Hop. And Love and Hip Hop was cool. It was a great opportunity. I'm actually going to make another career change. So I went from Enterprise to makeup artist, and now I'm about to go into working into the marketing world. And I'm actually really excited about it because it's a new venture, and I just feel like I need something fresh. I need something new. And becoming a makeup artist made me lose a lot of my passion for makeup, period. When I started doing makeup, I stopped wearing a shit ton of makeup. Like, out of the total of how much I used to wear makeup, within the past year, I probably wore makeup, I promise you, a good 40 days. So out of 365, 40 days is really probably how much I've worn makeup. And lately it's been kind of picking up, but yeah, I mean, I had to step away from YouTube. I had to step away from a lot. I mean, like I said, when I took on working for Love and Hip Hop, it really became a lot for me. The job was more, it was a lot. You have to put out a lot for that job, and it was cool. Like, I'm so thankful for that opportunity. Like, to see my work on TV was by far the most driving and inspirational thing ever. But it inspired me to be a better me, and inspired me to be the person that I really wanted to be. And ultimately, I had this big dream to be like Aaliyah J, or the next, you know, like Jackie Aina and Alyssa Ashley. And people try to tell you that, oh, it's just so oversaturated. And I try not to get so caught up in things being oversaturated, because there's a place for everyone. And I know for a fact that God didn't just give me this idea to start a YouTube channel for nothing. So stepping away from YouTube for a year made me realize how much I wanted it. And it also made me realize how much work I actually was really putting in to get to where I wanted to be. And I just feel like with YouTube, you have to really be consistent. You have to really, it's a full-time job, really. And not a full-time, but you need to cut out at least 48 to 72 hours to be able to devote to doing YouTube. And it was a lot, because I was working a job where I was working almost 50-60 hours a week, and all I wanted to do was come home and sleep, like, you know. So to me, I was just like, this is too much, all this work, and then coming home trying to film for y'all. It was a lot. So I was just like washing my hands with YouTube, and I'm moving on, and I'm just becoming a makeup artist. Well, did that, and like I said, I'm thankful for the opportunity, but being a makeup artist made me lose my passion. It made me fall out of love with makeup for myself. It made me fall out of love with the idea of makeup, because at the point when I started makeup, I did makeup for my own enjoyment, and the enjoyment that people would come to me and look at how I did my makeup and idolize it and be like, oh, can you teach me? You know, whereas when you're actually servicing other people, there's actually a requirement. They expect you to do it the way that they like. And that was a little hard for me. And not that I expect people's makeup. I want people to enjoy their service with me. And that was the biggest thing for me, to give everyone the best service that they could get. But it became a lot, and it made me fall out of love with what I was originally in love with. And I'm not willing to sacrifice that for no one. So with that being said, Shemiah is back. And I will be going by Shemiah this time around. I'm not going to try to do the Mala B thing. I mean, when big things happen, Mala B will pop up. But for right now, you guys can just address me as my name, which is Shemiah. So I'm really excited about getting back on YouTube for you guys. I'm really excited about the content that I'm looking to create. It's just going to be a joyous ride this time, and I'm going to be consistent. You know, that was the biggest thing, me staying consistent. Lord, like I said, YouTube is time consuming, a little bit more time consuming than people think, especially when you gotta film, you gotta edit what you film, and people don't really take into consideration all that stuff. But I'm willing to take whatever it takes for me to be just as big, so I can be a BeautyCon like the rest of these people. I want to be at BeautyCon and collaborating with big makeup companies and all that stuff. Like, that's the type of stuff that I want to do, and it's going to happen, because God did not give me this vision for no reason. So I just kind of wanted to come share with you guys that, you know, I did give up, but giving up taught me that I needed to push a little bit harder. I needed to want it a little bit more. And that just applies to anything in life. You know, if you give up on something and it was something, I'm not a give up type person. Like, I'm not the type of person to just throw something away. And it's like I said, as much as I loved being a makeup artist was just something that was, it was a little eye-opener into the beauty community. But it also made me realize how much I don't particularly care to be a makeup artist. It's just a lot of demand, and I don't really do makeup for the enjoyment of other people. I do it for my own enjoyment. And it satisfies me that when I'm enjoying what I'm doing, it's influencing other people to like it, you know. So like I said, it's just, I need to take a break because I'm thirsty, and I've been talking for 7 minutes. So fulfilling. But all right, back to what I was saying though. What was I saying? Yeah, being a makeup artist just kind of made me lose passion for makeup. And I just knew that if I ever wanted to continue to have any dealings with makeup, I needed to part ways with that career. It just wasn't a career that was ideally for someone who, it's just not a lot of excitement out of doing it for other people, you know. And I love my clients, I love all my regular clients, I love all of them, like they are the best. But I just rather cater to them part-time than to be able to make it my full-time job, because it don't make me full-time money. So I'm gonna wash my hands with it, and I'm gonna give it to God, and we're gonna move on with our life. And like I said, I'm starting a new journey. A lot has happened. I'm feeling a lot better. I'm currently off social media right now, but you guys do not hesitate to follow me, okay? I'll put it right here down in the description box. Okay. Oh yeah, but you know, like I said, I'm making a career change. Everything's just changing for me. Like these 20 somethings, these are crucial years. Like these years are so vital, so important. So because they're so important, it's important for me to keep myself first and keep my happiness first. And it's important to me. It's important. It should be important to anybody. But in your 20 somethings, it's okay to be selfish. Those are most critical years of your life. It's okay to not be okay with, it's okay to not like something that could be for you or people think could be for you or whatever. Like it's okay. Like it's so okay. So I just, like I said, I wanted to come give you guys a life update. Career wise, that's what's going on. YouTube wise, I quit, I'm back, and I'm better than ever, and we gonna pop this off. So what can I call y'all? We need a gang. Like, what we gonna call y'all? We need a gang. What we gonna call y'all? I don't know yet, but if y'all come up with a good gang, comment down below, because we gonna get this popping, and we gonna be at BeautyCon next year, this year, who knows, but it's gonna happen, because I'm speaking it into existence, and it's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna post my first video before September, or maybe September 1st, I'm not sure yet, but my first official video of 2018, like makeup tutorial probably. It'll probably be a makeup tutorial. I don't know yet. We're gonna figure it out. I'm working on those things. That's why I said I'm good on moving at my own speed. I'm not trying to rush nothing to put any half-ass work out here. Like I'm gonna take my time, and it's gonna be done right. So it'll be September for sure. I just don't know what day. Just be on the lookout, and I will post pictures probably the day before. Right now, like I said, I am off social media right now. I'm currently fasting, which is another one of the great things about me. If you know me, if you know me, like my friends know me, it has always been very hard for me to delete my social media. That's terrible, right? But I would literally, this summer, it's crazy. I spent so much time scrolling through my timeline, and with real life happening and me actually having to step up and take care of a lot of things, it made me realize how toxic that social media can be. And I really was so invested in what the fuck everybody else had going on that I wasn't concerned about what I had going on. So I took it upon myself this month to just part ways with social media completely. Now YouTube is a different type of lane in social media, because I'm like just talking to myself on a freaking camera. But you know, as far as like being on Instagram and seeing like like YouTube, you can filter what you look at, you know, whereas on Instagram and Twitter and shit, like there's no filter. You gonna see whatever people post, like, you know. So here you can kind of filter and just go look at exactly what you want, which you can do on any social media. But it's just toxic, because social media can just really be so draining. You just get caught up in so many aspects of life that's really not important, like materialistic shit. And I definitely got caught up in that shit, and I had to step away from it. And I just really just thank God that he just opened my eyes to a lot of stuff, because I'm definitely changing for the better. And I just know that this change for YouTube is going to be 10 times better. So you guys just make sure you are here for this. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you don't subscribe, I'm judging you. Yep. I feel some type of way. And I'm waiting. I'ma sit here and wait. Cause what you waiting on, Petunia? What you gonna do, Petunia? Huh? What you gonna do, Petunia? Be on the lookout. Cause I'm refilming enough. Alright, y'all, so that's it for this video, though. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't be scared to hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna figure out some jingles, some YouTube jingles. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go work on that now. We're gonna work out on a gang for y'all, and we're gonna work on a little jingle, a little Mala song, Shemiah song. What we call it, a Mala song, because I'm okay with nickname Mala. Like, y'all can choose to call me Mala or Shemiah, but I prefer to be called Shemiah if you was to see me in real life, you know. But if you holler out Mala, I'm gonna look too like, what's up? You talking to me? Alright, y'all, that's it for this video, though. I will see you guys in my next video. And that's it. Hit the subscribe button. I love y'all. Hold it down. P.O.P.